Did you know that tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world, after water? That's right, people all over the globe love to drink tea, whether it's green, black, white, oolong, or herbal. But do you know what tea can do for your health? Tea is not only a delicious and refreshing drink, but also a source of antioxidants, polyphenols, and other beneficial compounds that can help prevent and fight various diseases, from cancer to diabetes. However, not all teas are created equal, and some may even have negative effects on your health if you drink too much or have certain conditions. So, in this video, we are going to tell you which teas are good for you, which ones are bad, and how to enjoy tea in moderation and safely. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most popular and researched types of tea, and for good reason. Green tea is made from steamed and dried tea leaves, which preserves the antioxidants and polyphenols that give it its health benefits. Green tea can help lower your cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels, as well as reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, and some cancers. Green tea also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help with skin problems, dental health, and infections. Plus, green tea can boost your metabolism and fat burning, which can aid in weight loss. However, green tea also contains caffeine and theanine, which can affect your nervous system and cause side effects like insomnia, anxiety, or headaches if you drink too much. So, limit your intake to 2 to 3 cups a day, and avoid drinking it late at night or on an empty stomach. Black tea. Black tea is another common and widely consumed type of tea, especially in the West. Black tea is made from fermented and oxidized tea leaves, which gives it a darker color and a stronger flavor. Black tea has similar benefits to green tea, such as lowering your cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels, and protecting your heart and brain. Black tea also contains the A-flavins and the urubigans, 2 antioxidants that are unique to black tea and have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. However, black tea has more caffeine than green tea, which can cause the same side effects if you drink too much. Black tea can also interfere with the absorption of iron, which can lead to anemia if you have low iron levels. So, limit your intake to 3 to 4 cups a day, and avoid drinking it with meals or taking iron supplements. White tea. White tea is one of the least processed and most delicate types of tea, made from young and unopened tea buds and leaves. White tea has a light color and a mild flavor, and is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. White tea can help prevent and treat various diseases, such as cancer, diabetes, and obesity. White tea can also improve your skin health by reducing inflammation, preventing wrinkles, and protecting against UV damage. White tea has less caffeine than green and black tea, which makes it a good choice for people who are sensitive to caffeine or want to reduce their intake. However, white tea can still cause some side effects if you drink too much, such as nausea, dizziness, or irregular heartbeat. So, limit your intake to 2 to 3 cups a day, and drink it with caution if you have a heart condition or take medication. Herbal tea. Herbal tea is not technically a tea, but an infusion of various herbs, flowers, fruits, spices, or other plant materials. Herbal tea can have a variety of flavors, aromas, and health benefits, depending on the ingredients used. Some of the most popular and beneficial herbal teas are chamomile, peppermint, ginger, turmeric, and lavender. Herbal tea can help with digestion, relaxation, immunity, inflammation, and pain relief. Herbal tea is also caffeine-free, which makes it a great alternative to regular tea or coffee. However, herbal tea can also have some drawbacks, such as allergic reactions, drug interactions, or adverse effects on certain conditions. For example, some herbal teas can stimulate uterine contractions, which can cause miscarriage or premature labor in pregnant women. Some herbal teas can also interact with prescription drugs, such as blood thinners, antidepressants, or birth control pills. So, always check the ingredients and consult your doctor before drinking herbal tea, especially if you have a medical condition or take medication. So, there you have it, some of the health benefits and risks of different types of tea. Tea is a wonderful drink that can enhance your health and well-being, but also a powerful substance that can affect your body and mind. So, drink tea responsibly and enjoy its benefits in moderation and safely. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'll love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We'll see you next time, and until then, happy tea drinking!